Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem of your PayPal app crashing or not working properly on your iPhone or iPad. First, open your settings and make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Also, check if a VPN is connected. If it is, disconnect it. Next, go to General Software. Update and ensure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest iOS version. After that, head over to iPhone Storage, scroll down, and find the PayPal app. Tap on it. Then select Offload app to clear the app's data without deleting it completely. Once done, go back to the Settings menu. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and then choose Reset Network Settings. If the issue still isn't fixed, uninstall the PayPal app completely, then reinstall it from the App Store. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, and your PayPal app should start working smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.